So what we have here is vegan Mexican food. So what we replaced is, rather than rice, we used quinoa, which is very healthy and a complete protein. So we use quinoa rather than rice. It's a little smaller, but a lot healthier. You can also use beans, but there's also refried beans by Rosarita that are vegetarian. We just use frozen peppers, so they're not perishable, from Trader Joe's, very cheap. And if you want a meat substitute, you can use Morningstar crumbles. But that's pretty much it. Quinoa, and then we used a vegan sour cream in it by Tofutti, milk-free, dairy-free. We buy a 10-pound bag of quinoa for about $30, tri-colored. Buy some guacamole or avocado. And there you have it. Pretty good. Veganized Mexican food. Healthy, cruelty-free. Some soy or almond cheese as well. And very affordable. So there you have it. Veganized. Look up factory farm videos and see why we should make vegan, Italian, Mexican, and culture foods. Thank you.